Hey everybody, today's move is the reverse lunge pulse with a little ab activation. So what it looks like is we're going to alternate sides. So step back, a little lunge, get it in place, pulse, pulse, step up, push knee to hand, hand to knee. Pulse, pulse, hand to knee, knee to hand. Pulse, pulse. Now if you got bad knees, maybe you just go here, pulse, pulse, push it up. Show you from the other side. Lunge back, the ball of your foot is up on the floor, your heel is up. Pulse, pulse, drive that up. Pulse, pulse, hand to knee, knee to hand. Pulse, pulse. And a modified would just be a little pulse and a knee drive. So you're physically pushing your hand downward and you're bringing your knee upward to activate that core. Try it out in your workout. Let me know what you think. Until next time, I'll see you on your mat. Bye.